Welcome to White Mountains Today. I'm your host, Wendy Howell. Miss Lisa McCoy is joining me now from the Mount Washington Auto Road. Thank you, Lisa, for coming.
Thanks, Wendy. It's great to be here.
It's nice to see you again. The summer's over. Fall is gone.
I know. It's always so sad. The fall is such a spectacular season, and it's always just so gorgeous in Pinkham Notch, and especially on the Washington Auto Road. It's always a little sad when, that moment that you think, oh, it's here, and then it goes away.
The last
just
leaf falls from the tree.
It's so fleeting, but it's, and I think maybe that's what makes it so wonderful. So,
yes.
but now we are in stick season.
Yeah, you have to be very present in those moments.
You do.
Yeah.
It's a good reminder.
So now we're moving into holiday season.
I know. It's one of my favorites. It's so exciting to think about winter and to think about snow and the holidays and the upcoming season. We're just really excited, even though it doesn't quite feel like it temperature-wise.
But it's a little warm.
It's been a little warm. But I think that's the kind of the general feeling around the valley.
Absolutely.
But we're gearing up nonetheless.
Yes.
We know it'll come.
So you've got things planned for the whole month of November.
We do. We're really excited. Next Friday, November 18th, is our open house.
Okay.
And this is going to be from 4 to 8 p.m. in the afternoon. So you come by after work. We're going to have some snacks, some beverages, door prizes. Everything in the store is 10% off.
Excellent.
And this is a really great opportunity to get whatever gear you need for the season. We've got all sorts of, equipment from Nordic skis, snowshoes, to soft goods, your long underwear, socks, hats, gloves. It is really important this season, I will emphasize this, that if you need gear, if you looked in your closet and you're like, oh man, these cross-country skis go back 30 years and you want to get an upgrade, this is the time to buy because the selection is good and we just don't really know what the mid-season shipments will look like because of supply chains. And so we have the best selection right now. So this is the time.
Okay, good.
Come on in. And if you can't make it at that time, we do offer kind of individual appointments. We're closed in the middle of the week. We're open right now on our outfitter shop only on the weekends.
Okay.
Except for that open house.
Okay.
It's quite fun. But we will certainly come and meet with you if you need to try on some boots or whatever. You can set up an appointment to come in.
Yeah, this is a great time for that sale because there's so many different swaps going on, ski swaps and equipment swaps. So you can send out the old, come to you, get something new for yourself.
Exactly. Yes, the ESSC sale is this weekend. So it's a great opportunity, like you said, to out with the old and in with the new.
In with the new. That's great. And you also have a fundraiser coming up near the end of November after Thanksgiving, right?
Yes, it's the Saturday after Thanksgiving. It is what was a once annual craft fair. We haven't hosted this craft fair since the beginning of COVID, so it's been since 2019. So it's been a little bit of a minute.
Yep.
We're really excited to bring it back. It is a fundraiser for our kids ski program.
Good.
And the kids ski program meets on Sunday afternoons. It's from any kids from 1st grade to 8th grade, and they can come in and work with our excellent instructors on their skills and just participate in that awesome, outdoor activity that is cross-country skiing. But this craft fair is on the Saturday after Thanksgiving.
Yep.
And crafters from all over the region selling beautiful, jewelry and candles and holiday decor.
Yeah.
We are still accepting vendors.
Okay.
If anyone is interested, you can just go right onto our website, greatglentrails.com. And you'll find the craft fair under events, and you can follow the link to sign up as a vendor if you're so inclined.
Perfect.
So,
crafters, go to the website.
Yes, well, it is
up.
certainly the holiday season.
Yeah.
It is the time for, people looking for those special, unique gifts that you can't find at a big
Yep.
box store.
I agree.
And of course, we always want to shop local, right? Support everybody who's
Yeah.
in the area.
Support the business people who even don't have that storefront or, whatever it may be, because there's plenty of people running little businesses out of their homes, making jewelry, making candles, making everything. So that's a great
Exactly.
way to give them some exposure and help the fundraiser for the kids.
Exactly. And then just kind of looking forward throughout the whole holiday season, on our website, if you're looking for gifts or last minute gifts, we sell gift cards on our website.
Great.
So you can get a gift card in any denomination, and then people can use it for anything that we sell on our website. So that would be something like a tubing experience. So if you have, maybe your friends are coming up to the North Conway area and you're like, maybe in February we're going to go tubing, and it's a great gift that you can get them an experience rather than a physical item.
I love that. Yeah, that's a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's great. And so we have those available on our website, and of course you can also book our snow coach tours right now. And so our snow coaches are, it's amazing. They're starting to people are starting to book.
Yeah. I can imagine.
yeah.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
We will absolutely have to get you up on a snow coach this winter.
I'm in.
Yeah,
I'm in.
It's a lot of fun. It's a really unique opportunity to get into the kind of Mount Washington Alpine zone, but in a warm, comfortable, kind of intimate.
Oh, that's
experience.
right up my alley.
Yeah, we only fit like maximum 8 people in one of our snow coaches.
Oh, that's
so it's
wonderful.
always a small group of people. So you can talk to the tour guide, ask questions, and they're just a wealth of knowledge. Many of our drivers have been working with us for decades, and so they have just this incredible depth of history, ecology, local lore, and kind of oral traditions, if you will. So
wonderful.
it's really a really neat experience.
That sounds awesome.
Yeah,
I would love
it's
that.
really fun.
All right, put it on the calendar.
Yeah, and you can get a gift card for a snow coach too. So
Okay, go get a gift card.
Yeah, you can get the gift cards.
All right, so you've got everyone's holiday gift. What do you call it? Your gift calendar mapped right out completely. You don't need to shop anywhere else.
No, you can just go right to Great Glen Trails.
That's wonderful. Lisa, thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much, Wendy, for having me here.
Thank you.
It's always
You're
a pleasure.
watching White Mountains Today.